am really bad about taking videos this time, and I have no idea why. But I just am in the moment, I guess, which is kind of strange for me. I just like to come out and cuddle them, and then I don't realize I don't have my phone with me, and then I'm playing with puppies and I don't go get my phone. So anyway, this is The Walking Dead. That's what I call this stage, because man, there's a lot of puppies, and I'm surprised she's even still letting them do this to her. But yeah, that's what I thought. She's like, I don't know, that's just too many darn puppies. But we are starting to give them regular food now. So the milk is just the cream on top, literally, huh? Literally. They are getting so big. They're getting to be big puppies now. Not too big though. I can still pick up 3 at a time. I can still pick up 3 of you. What you guys doing? You gonna come out and go potties? Mom is like, where's those marmots at? That's my little huntress. Puppies are getting some water. Everybody's going potties. So it's kind of nice today. They've stayed outside quite a bit. So they're definitely liking it better than they were before. So that's kind of a good thing. And so we will start this week making outside noises and getting a few more obstacles and such. So first part was just getting them to be able to be okay out here and feel sure of that. So the one thing I can tell you is they are some loving puppies. They love to be loved on, which is so awesome. Huh, just like their mama and daddy. Well, I knew that wasn't going to be a problem, because mama and daddy are both crazy lovers. They love to be loved on. So now we just want to start seeing how trainable they are. Oh. I think mama's trying to do the regurgitate thing, which is weird. She's like, I'll get food to him one way or the other. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off now so I can get this on YouTube. Oh, and I did get some of their faces shaved. I think everybody but 2. So, still think they're a little too young. That one didn't get its face shaved to see much, but I wanted to try. No matter what, though, it's just so cute when their faces are shaved. I like it. I like it so much. As you can see, it's all over the ground. I was like, I'm gonna mow tomorrow. I'll just do it out here where it's cool. Where it's cool. Huh. They're like, now it's playtime. It's playtime. Is it playtime? Are you guys playing? Are you playing? Oh, yes, we're playing all right. We're playing all right. That goes with your collar, little girl. Yeah. She does this funny thing when she tries to pick it up. Her teeth just get it going. She's like, I'm not really sure how to grab this thing. It's so funny. Hey, hey, hey. Be nice to each other. Be nice to each other. It's getting a little noisier now. Now that they're finding their voices. They're starting to have little arguments. Alright, I better put this on YouTube because it's going to take forever to upload. Be nice.